Hello and thank you for watching this video or clicking on this video or whatever you did to get to this video. Anyways, today I'm here with Bestie and I'm just gonna give her heads up that I'm recording because she's my bestie. And I have a lot of besties, but anyways, me too. Oh, okay. Yep. I'm gonna sing okay in the background. That's nice. I don't get it. Anyways, I'm gonna sing in the background. Is she doing like a singing thingy? Like a. Well, anyways, this isn't my problem. Anyways, so I'm gonna be trying to get some spikes today because I got a bunch of betas the last time I did that one video that I'm not even sure if I posted because I might have. Yeah. Okay. So yeah. And I got a couple of dem betas, including Cammy, and I'm like so happy about that. What? Because Cammy, I've been wanting her for so long because my other friend, my other bestie, had like this kind of look with the couches with Cammy, and I'm like, OMG, that's so cute. I want Cammy. I love you. Love you too. Yeah, whatever. Anyways. And I got this from an adventure. I'm not sure if it's rare or not. I don't think it is because I'm pretty sure I saw it in the store once. And I got the porch swing again. I got a sewing machine. I got an RC car again. Traffic cone. I'm not sure if this is beta, but I'm pretty sure it's beta. And I won this in the little game, but this one's golden. You see how, like, I don't know what that means. Maybe it's rare. Probably is, since it's, like, the only one that I've ever seen with, like, a golden stand. And I got this tall cactus. I'm pretty sure it's not beta, but, you know, like, there's beta and then there's, like, real betas. This, I think, is a real beta. Yeah. And yeah, I have a bunch of plushie betas. So yeah, I have an art easel. I love my art easel, but I mean, I've had it for so long. Like I'm thinking, like, can I just get rid of it now? But get rid of it from trading, of course. Trade me looking to accept. So I'm just gonna go around and see if people have spikes. I'm not looking for any shorts. I'm just looking for longs. But if I happen to see like a good like one of these, I think that's a short. Like a black short or a red short, or yeah, you know, like something decent that's in the store. Really? No, thank you. It's not a fair trade. Oh wait, those are on trade. By the way, these two are for giveaway. So yeah, my red and pink long. You can look for rules in the description on that video. And okay, I just had to go for a little bit, but I'm back now. So I'm gonna try to look for some longs. I'm not trying to look for collars. I'm trying to look for wrists specifically so I can get collars. And here's one. It looks like it's part of her look though, so. And then she has the collar and she kind of has this set, so I'm not sure if she'll accept. But let's try to trade. This is why I'm doing wrists because they're not worth that much. 3 to 4 den betas for a decent one. Like this almost seems fake. Like 3 to 4 den betas or 2 okay short wrists. I mean, okay, but I know I wouldn't trade 4 to 6 den betas for a black long wrist. I mean, I didn't even trade it for that much. I think I traded because I used to have one, and I think I traded mine for more. But if you're a trader looking for one of these, this is good. And you have it, and you want to trade it for more, and it's not good. But you know, I don't know what I'm talking about because I'm gonna end up having it. So I'm just weird. So yeah. Color rarity worth left being moisture. Okay, so yeah. Okay, let's do this. And the one I'm trying to trade is for a blue one, so 4 den betas. So it's saying that this is fair. I don't know, but let's see if she'll accept. And my mouse is glitching. Yep, she declined. Like, I don't think that's fair enough for a wrist. A long wrist. So let's keep looking. Okay, so I just found someone with this one, and I'm looking. Gianna, please. Shh. I'm looking to get it. I really want it. And I'm realizing that a long wrist is almost worth a short collar, and that's kind of weird if you think about it. And my sister's trying to shush me. 10 and 12, that's OMG. So yeah, two good long wrists. Like, I'm confused because then whatever. I'm not even gonna question this anymore because yeah. And I'm just gonna try to trade for this now. So yep. So I'm only gonna trade 6 items. I know these two are Den Beta. I'm not sure if this is Den Beta. I'm just gonna try. These two are Den. Well, this isn't Den Beta, but this is Den Beta. And this, I've heard it's worth a Den Beta, but I don't know. So yeah. Let's see. They're probably not gonna accept, but whatever. No, buddy, 222 can't trade right now. 2-2, but yeah, whatever. Okay, I didn't go here. I went to Alden. Or actually, I don't know any other way to. Okay, this is a good spot. Trade me fair. Okay, yes. Finally, okay. I really want this. Trade me 5 to 7 Den Beta. She probably has spikes then. No, oh, no, she doesn't have spikes. I really want that black one. I lost mine. You see, actually I traded it, but trade me 1 Den Beta each. Thank you very much. I will have Gianna! My baby sister is like being so annoying on purpose too. Like, ugh. Well, I'll see ya. Okay, so this person has quite a lot of spikes. And I really want this yellow one because I really need a new outfit with my cougar outfit, and I need yellow stuff. Because really want to match my golden headset, so let's try to get this. So this is my offer. A giant box plushie, a porch swing, a sewing machine, an RC car, tall cactus, traffic cone, and giant bunny plushie. These are like all somewhat beta. Actually, some of these are like pretty good betas, like this traffic cone. But anyways, they're like all like somewhere on a beta, you know? Not a real beta, maybe, you know, somewhere in between a beta. And she declined, even though all that hard work I did to find it, she declined really quick, even though this thing said it was a fair trade. Oh, whatever. I'm out of them, please. No. I'm gonna cry. I'm just gonna cry. Everyone here is looking for Den Betas though, so I guess that's good. What is this? People still... I don't know why people are all over this eclipse thing. I don't like it. Well, I do, but like, it doesn't have good look. You know, I'm just gonna trade for a short because I'm just done. I can't. Why? And the longs are like worth 4 for like an okay, but it's blue, so it was 6. So this one like might be worth like 3 Den Betas, which is weird because that's like most likely what they'd say, right? But I don't know. So I'm just gonna trade 3 Den Betas. Like literally no one's accepted any offers yet. I thought this would be easy because last time it was like super easy. So let's see if they'll accept that. Yep. They declined. Why does nobody want my offers? I'm having a bad day. Please accept my offer. For that. Please. For a blue wrist. Please. These people don't know what they're talking about. They do not know what they're talking. I even added. Oh. I'm gonna cry now. I'm just gonna say this. My Denifil trade long wrist rare for decent Den betas. Someone's at my den, I'm so happy. This is how I got my wrist last time. I just said that because I didn't want to go through every single person's trade. Oh my gosh. I wish I was that rare. If I traded you, like, my whole den. Yes. That's a very good trade. It's not very fair since that's like, whoa, what? Okay. I'm okay with that. Whoa. What? Okay. Have any non-risks? Oh, she left. What just happened? Okay, well, I got some short collars. 3 short collars, which according to this, since this is like the least rarest one, it's only worth 2 good short collars. And are these? What? Okay. And she traded me these 3. So this one's okay and these 2 are bad, so I guess 2 bads leveled up to an okay, right? Wait. I'm like so beyond lost right now. Wait, okay, so this 2 good. Oh, never mind. You know what? I totally gave in. That was the worst trade ever. I don't know my words good. It's worth 2 good collars, so that'd mean like one. It would be worth one of these 2. But well, she gave me. And I'm okay with it. I'm okay with it because now I got that one, and it doesn't matter. Actually, whatever. But hey, I got the yellow one I was looking for. I mean, that's all that matters. I'm just gonna wear that though. I mean, I got the yellow one. They match because it's so virtual and small. Like what? Frantic bunnies. Oh whoa. I mean, like I'm beyond confused. I want this one. I want to see if she'll trade it. If I traded like every single spike I have. By the way, guys, if she accepts, which she won't, I'll have to decline because I'm also trading the ones that these 2 which are in a giveaway, so I can't actually trade those. But if she accepts, I'll have to decline, and my life will be ruined. So yeah. So yeah, that's my offering. Yep. I already knew that was gonna happen, so yeah. But yeah, guys, thanks for watching this video of me trying to get along. I ended up just getting 3 short collars, which isn't that bad, but I think she undertraded, and she probably knew that I would just get too excited and be like, yes, thank you. But because they were 2 bads and a decent, but too bad's probably equal to a decent, right? I mean, I don't know my rare